Here's how to lace New Balance 530s in a standard style. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed one of the lace ends through this little loop at the base of the shoe here. And we're just going to pull that through until our laces are of equal length. So take a hold of your two lace ends, grab your New Balance and just pull that until they're both equal. Now you can take a minute to pause the video and make sure they're equal before we carry on, if you like. And then what we're going to do, take this lace end and we're going to feed it down into the very bottom eyelet on this side from above. So just wiggle that through, like that. Swap to the other one and we're going to do the exact same on the other side. So just take that lace end down into the very bottom eyelet on this side, making sure there's no twists in the laces. Now it's best to double check your laces are still of equal length. So just pinch your ends together, give them a pull, and then we're ready to carry on. Now remember, you can play this video at half speed or pause it as often as you need. Just go at your own pace. There's literally no rush. Great, so now we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side this time. So bring it over, just feed it through that eyelet, pull that lace all the way through, making sure there's no creases. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. So take a hold of the other lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the second eyelet from the bottom on the other side from underneath until we have that pulled all the way through. Looking good. And now we're going to repeat that. So keep a hold of this lace first, smooth it out, bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. Swap to the other lace and we're going to do the same on the other side. Bring it over and up through the next empty eyelet from underneath. Looking good. Now we always want to be doing our laces in this order so they all come out very uniformed. If you follow along with me, you should be just fine. So we should have this lace sat on top of each X each time, if that makes sense. Great. So then we're going to keep a hold of this lace. And now we're going to take it through the tongue loop here, which helps keep laces secure. So just wiggle that through, like so, until it goes through without any creases. And then we're going to bring the lace end up through the next empty eyelet, just like we've been doing, making sure there's no twists. Looking good. Then we're going to repeat that on the other side by smoothing out this lace, bringing it over through the tongue loop to make sure it sits on top of the other lace in that nice X shape. And then we're going to bring this lace end up through the next empty eyelet on this side. Now we're getting there. Brilliant. So keep a hold of this lace. And we're going to continue on with our pattern. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the next empty eyelet. Looking good. And the same with the other one. Smooth it out, bring it over and up through that next empty eyelet on the other side. Looking really good. And now I'm at the final eyelets. You might have more or less eyelets than me, depending on your shoe size. But the pattern continues as normal. We're always starting with this lace, bringing it over and up through the next empty eyelet. Make sure there's no creases. And then the same with the other one. Bringing it over and up through the empty eyelet, all the way to the top till we get to the final eyelets like I have here. Then what you'll want to do is just go ahead and bow your laces as normal. And there you have it. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of standard lace New Balance 530s. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to inspire you guys. Thanks!